Tēnā koutou te reo Trepeneurs of Tākina. Welcome to week 10 of your te reo Trepreneurship. This week the core comment is aha, what, noun. Before we get into it, kia karakia tātou. Kia taura ngā manaakitanga, a te runga rawa, ki tēnā, o mātou e tau nei. Kia tūturu, o whiti, whakamaua, kia tīna, hui e, tai ki e. As I said before, the core comment for this week is aha, what, noun. There are 13 noun starters. One is an indefinite article, also known as a pūnoa. That is he. He denotes a thing or some things. Then there are the 12 definite articles, also known as pūmo. They are a, tētahi, some, ētahi, the, singular, te, the, plural, ngā, that, pre-mentioned, taua, those, pre-mentioned, aua, this, tēnei, these, ēnei, that by you, tēnā, those by you, ēnā, that over there, tērā, those over there, ērā. Let's take a closer look at these noun starters. So as I said, the pūnoa, he, is an indefinite article. It's indefinite because there are actually 3 ways that you could use it. Here's an example. I'm going to use pen, the noun pen or the thing pen as my examples throughout this tutorial. So here we go. An example using the pūnoa he. A pen, he pene. Some pens, he pene. Pens, he pene. So those are 3 different ways that you can use the pūnoa he. It's indefinite because it's not definite about whether there's one thing or some things. Now, where I'm using the kupu pen, you can use pretty much anything that's around you, anything that you're looking at. For example, a table, he tepu, a chair, he turu, a t-shirt, he tihate, anything that is a noun or pretty much anything that is around you. A person, he tangata. Now we're going to look at the 12 definite articles or the 12 pūmo. Alright, so we have, it's a pen, ko tētahi pene. It's some pens, ko ētahi pene. It's the pen, ko te pene. It's the pens, ko ngā pene. It's that pen we talked about, ko taua pene. It's those pens we talked about, ko aua pene. It's this pen, ko tēnei pene. Remember in your nei space. It's these pens, ko ēnei pene. Say this pen is near you and I'm talking to you. It's that pen by you, ko tēnā pene. It's those pens by you, ko ēnā pene. Now, outside of our nei and nā space, we have rā. It's that pen over there, ko tērā pene. It's those pens over there, ko ērā pene. Kōrero mai, kōrero atu. So what I want you to do is actually read these subtitles, and I'm going to pose the question and I want you to put in your answer wherever you see the line, okay? So give that a go. Here we go. A what? He aha? It's a what? Ko tētahi aha? It's some what's? Ko ētahi aha. It's the what? Ko te aha. It's the what's. Ko ngā aha. It's that what we talked about. Ko taua aha. It's those what's we talked about. Ko aua aha. It's this what. Ko tēnei aha. It's these what's. Ko ēnei aha. It's that what by you. Ko tēnā aha. It's those what's by you. Ko ēnā aha. It's that what over there. Ko tērā aha. It's those what's over there. Ko ērā aha. Ka pai. Okay, so what we've just been through is this. We've got the pū noa or the pū mau, so he or ko tētahi. Then you've got your noun. Okay, so here's an example. He pene, ko tētahi pene. After the noun, the description of the noun comes in. So here's an example. A red pen, he pene whero. It's a red pen, ko tētahi pene whero. So many people, they actually try and describe, because they're looking at the English. In English, the description of the noun is first, but in te reo, it goes the pū, or the starter, the noun, and then the description of the noun. So I'll do that one again. A pen, he pene. A red pen, he pene whero. It's a pen, ko tētahi pene. It's a red pen, ko tētahi pene whero. And you can apply that to all the 12. You apply that same structure to the 12 pū mau. Now let's look at tauiho, language reciprocation. Using the pū noa, he. Here's an example. A red pen. A red pen. A red pen. A what? A red pen. Yeah, a red pen. No, a black pen. He pene whero. He pene whero. He pene whero. He aha. He pene whero. Ai, he pene whero. Kau, he pene pango. Using the pū mau or the definite articles, using tētahi as the example. It's a red pen. Is it a red pen? It's a red pen. It's a what? It's a red pen. Yeah, it's a red pen. No, it's a black pen. Ko tētahi pene whero. Ko tētahi pene whero. Ko tētahi pene whero. Ko tētahi aha. Ko tētahi pene whero. Ai, ko tētahi pene whero. Kau, ko tētahi pene pango. Awesome e hoa ma. So this is a pretty big tutorial, but what I want you to take away from this one is the one question, what, and also the use of the noun starters, whether it's a thing, some things, the things, that thing we talked about, those things we talked about, this, that by you, that over there. It's good to have a good grip on those 13 noun starters. There are nouns all around you, no matter where you look. A table, a chair, a wall, a hair tie, a t-shirt, pants, shoes, car, trees. Everywhere you look, everything is a noun. Okay, so kia kaha tātou o kia kaha koutou ki te whakamahi or to use the noun starters for this week. Hope you enjoyed this week's tutorial. Ngā mihi kia koutou katoa.